Hey everyone, welcome back to our online course enrollment portal. In our previous lesson, we did login.php and login.html. We will come now to create. Remember when we are doing login.php, we were directing based on role. If role equals to admin, then location add course.php, else location view courses.php. So we are supposed to create add course.php and view courses.php. Then we will create enroll.php that will allow our students to enroll in a certain course. So we will start with add course.php. Session start, then include config.php. Then we will check if the user is logged in. If not, I set session user ID. If the user ID is not logged in, echo access denied is in first. Exit. Then we check if the logged in user is admin. If session role not equal to admin, echo access denied admin only. Then we handle the course form submission, whereby we will check course name, course code, and description. So we are trying to check in the database the course name, the course code, and the description. Then we prevent duplicate courses. Check MySQL query. We check the connection. We select all from courses where course code equals variable course code. Echo course already exists. Else, SQL insert into courses, course name, course code, description. Use variable course name, variable course code, and lastly description. We come to if my SQL query connect and SQL echo course added successful, else failed to add course. Please try again. Then we enter to form itself now. Doc type HTML, head, title, add new course. We close the head. We start body. Heading 2, add new course. Form method equals to post. Action, we leave it. We will put label for course name, course code, description, and also a button. We will break. Then we do links. Ahref equals enroll.php. Go to enroll page. Ahref logout.php. Logout. We close the body. We close HTML. We come to view course.php. So as usual, we will start our session. We include config.php. Then we check if the user is logged in. If not, I set session user ID, echo access denied, please log in first. We confirm that only student can view courses. If session role not equal to student, echo access denied, student only. User ID equals session user ID, we fetch enrolled courses. If the ID equals to session, fetch for enrolled courses. We will use SQL equals select from table courses, course name, course code, description, and enrolled at from enrollment table. We will join them. We will join courses on enrollments, which equals to courses.id, where enrollments.userid equals to user ID. Result equals my SQLi query, variable connect, and variable SQL. Then we come to the form now, the HTML form that will enable the student to view courses. So as usual, we start with doc type HTML, title, my enrolled course. Then we enter to body. Inside body, we need to have a heading, my enrolled courses. Then we will use a PHP here. If my SQL number rows result greater than 0, then we close this PHP. Then here we will create a table. We'll have course name, course code, description, and enrolled at. We open our PHP. Else, we create a paragraph. You haven't enrolled in any course yet. Then we need to break. Then add our links. Close the body. We close HTML. We are through with view courses.php. Since we have said here there is a link that goes to enroll.php, let us create enroll.php file. So as usual, session start, include config.php. Check if the user is logged in. Then we confirm only students can enroll. We check if the user ID equals to session user ID. Then we handle enrollment form submission. Remember, we usually submit a form through post method. We are checking if whatever we are providing is equal to whatever is stored. We check if already enrolled, because so from MySQL, we will check the connection. Then we select all from enrollments, where user ID equals to user ID and course ID equals to variable course ID. If MySQL number rows, we check greater than 0, then echo you are already enrolled in this course. Else, SQL equals insert into enrollments user ID, course ID values, user ID, course ID. After inserting these values, it will echo enrollment successful. If my SQLi query variable connect and variable SQL echo enrolled successful, else echo failed to enroll, fetch all courses. So we use variable courses equals MySQL query connect, will select all from courses. We close our PHP there. Then we start with creating our form. Form method, post, we leave blank. Select course, label, select course, select name equals to course ID. Option value, we need to choose a course. We open our PHP while variable row equals MySQLi, fetch courses, option value equals variable row ID, button type, submit, name, enroll. We break, then we create a link for logout. Let us do logout.php because we have included it in each file. Session start, session destroy, header, location, login.html. We go to our browser and check. So we need to log in. This user, after logging in as Meli, it's heading us to add new course. Meaning, with our code here, meaning Meli is an admin. We log out to see if the logout page is doing, brings us back to login. We can try to log in as a student. This is a student. For a student, it takes you to my enrolled courses. So you haven't enrolled in any course yet. If I want to enroll, I'll click that link. Then it will take me here. See, there are no courses. Reason, we have not added the courses. So Let us first log out. We log in as admin. We add courses. We can start with PHP Basics course code. We can call it PB01 description. We will cover PHP syntax, PHP variables and operators, PHP functions, among others. Then we can add that course. That is the first course. Course added, successful. Advanced programming, course code. We will cover advanced PHP, Laravel, SQL command line, and lastly, WordPress. Course added successfully. So far, we are having 2 courses. We can go to enroll page, access denied, student only. Because for enrolling, it's only student who can enroll. We have added courses as an admin. Now, let us try to enroll in a course as a student. So student is Lucy. Password. You haven't enrolled in any course. Enroll in another course. So I come to enroll. Choose the courses. Now you can see they are available. I enroll in this. Then I press button enroll. Then you can see enrolled successful. What we are remaining with is creating our dashboard. Our system is working from registering a student. So let us register a student together. Mercy, email, mercy@gmail.com, password, then register. Registration successful. We have registered that student. So what we need, we will add a button here for logout. Or we can add a link for logout in register.php. Login.html. So we'll use the same student, mercy@gmail.com, password, then login. So this student has not enrolled in any course, so she can enroll in a course. Maybe can enroll in advanced programming. That way. Now Mercy is having a course. So I know you are wondering, where does this data go? Remember, we said that what we are trying to do is connecting HTML, we submit to PHP, then PHP submits to database or connects with our database. So if we want to see them, we just come to localhost PHP my admin. So our database is here. You can see we have 3 tables: courses, enrollment, and users. We can check the courses if we have them. You can see we already have our 2 courses. And if we come to enrollments, how many courses or how many students have enrolled? Enrollments, we are having 2. Then we come to users. Users, we have a lot. We have Don, Lucy, Simon, John, Mike, Mary, and Mercy. And check on roll, we have admin and student. If we want to make a student to be admin, maybe we need to make Simon admin. So we are adding it manually. Check the box. Then we come to edit. Then we will come and edit here. So we just make the person admin, then go. And already Simon now becomes an admin. With that, we can call it the end of our session today. So in our system, we are remaining with dashboard. Thank you for watching. If you find this session important to you, subscribe and hit notification bell so that you don't miss any lesson. Goodbye.